Hi, I'm Anissa. Welcome to Take Back Beauty. Today we're talking about concealing to correct, so keep watching for some tips. So we all have issues that we would like to conceal, or we would like to hide or minimize, and that's what concealer is meant for. And I have, some major issues when it comes to my chin. It can be really dark. I will use a pretty large brush. And I would use an illuminating concealer. This brush allows me to apply. It's very flexible, so I can either sweep it up or down. I can press it, and that will leave a very nice and clean layer. So when I add my foundation, and then I can blend it out. So it will really minimize any darkness. What I also love about concealers, and I've learned over time, is that for my lips, if I want to make my lips look bigger, I can use a concealer, and of course with a smaller brush, and I can frame my lips. I can outline them. And this will allow for my lips to look bigger, and I can blend it out. And as you can tell, once you blend, your lips will start to pop. So today I just used a few brushes for concealing, and there's lots of different options when it comes to concealer types, and whether they're liquid or they're putties, and there's that many brushes that could product pair with the concealer. So I encourage you to find the best match so that you can have the best opportunity to conceal. So thanks for watching.